I am not a very nice person when it comes to men who will try to degrade me, who will try to create a definition of me that doesn't exist. Because these men are very used to be superior to women. And women are not allowed to voice their opinions because you are just a woman, you're just a wife. To me, I was just grateful that my late husband treated me fairly well. He respected me, he loved me, he accepted who I am. I never mistreated him, he never mistreated me. We treat each other fairly well. But I am also seeing lots of women in the society where they are controlled by the masculines. I am seeing it in the society where I am. The problem is, I have experienced that also in the past. And just recently, there was this person who was trying to create, the story that it didn't exist in my life. There was a person that created some kind of a novel with me as a character on it. But it's purely a novel. It never existed in my life. Why? Because this person wanted to lower my vibration because he knows that I exist in the higher timeline. He knows that I exist in the higher vibration and he wanted me to lower down to meet him. Alright? I'm not mentioning any name here, but this is not a good person. Why would you do that? Instead of trying yourself to reach the highest timeline, to improve yourself, to improve your vibrational frequency, why would you pull down somebody? You are insecure. Well, I am not the kind of woman who will listen to that. No. I am not that kind of woman. Find another woman who can be your pet. Because I'm not. My family knows me very well. My friends knows me very well. I am a fighter since in the elementary grades. I am not that kind of person. I am not mentioning any name here, but creating a story of me that doesn't exist and you don't even know me? Hello? I haven't told anyone how I grew up at that time. That is why I started to tell, because one person created a story of me that doesn't exist. It doesn't exist. They didn't know how I live. They never did. Because I never tell anyone online. The only person who knows really who I am are the persons I meet. The people that are with me. The close friends that I have right now. Ahead of you. But they know who I am. I am kind. I am loving. But don't push me to the edge. Because I know how to fight. I know who I am. Don't put me in a definition that I am not. Where you are and you don't want to improve, stay in that direction. Stay in that level. But don't pull me down just because she can't reach me. That is the attitude of the old-fashioned men who don't try to improve themselves, trying to pull down the feminine just because we are feminine. No. Don't you know that feminines are more multitaskers? We can do a lot of things in different time, in the same time. Don't you know that? And most men cannot do that. So stop messing up with women. Because if you think you are superior, we are powerful too. That's all I can say.